Pretty little painting, hotter than a hot tool. Me I say you hot like them, I say you hot too. Yeah, me see the curls, them pretty with the contour. Man, I say
yo. Gotta do this. Me, I hurt me bad. What's up, my people? Hey guys. Hello. I know it's been the amount of times I've been clapping. Alright, so disclaimer, if y'all hearing my neighbors go, I'm sorry, I don't know if they're having sex or whatever. I know many of you are always like, oh, I want to start a channel but I don't have camera or microphones or whatever it is, and you don't need a camera to start YouTube. You don't need like a microphone or anything. You just need a phone, just a regular phone, preferably iPhone, and I'm probably like hear the breeze mowing the up in, so yeah, no, sorry. So currently right now I'm videoing on my iPhone X, but before that I used to video on this thing right here. This is a iPhone 7. I got notifications. This is my iPhone 7 that I used to video on before. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to video on your iPhone 7 or just any phone in general, or you can just copy it for like an Android or whatever. So let's go. I'm going to show you how to do that in a bit. So first I'm going to unlock my phone, go into camera. Alright, so I'm going to spin this around so you can see it better. Alright, if you guys don't have like a tripod or like a ring light or whatever, I'm gonna advise that you guys video during the day so you get the best lighting possible, and then buy a selfie stick. This right here is what I used to video on, still is by the way, but I just need to get a new one because this phone much heavier than the next one and I can't hold it. But this is what I used to video, this is what I used to hold my phone up. So let's get into it, girl. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take your phone and the selfie stick, put it in it. I'm sorry, I ate all of this. I don't know, something wrong with me. So I'm taking off the case of my phone because if you put it on with the case, it's not going to work. So take it out, put it in there. Alright. Okay, see? So now the phone is in there and this is what it's looking like. So I'm gonna open it and put it on camera. Let me spin it around. The phone is on a selfie stick, right? So I'm videoing off my iPhone X onto my iPhone 7, so you can see it right here. And the first thing you need to do is go in video, and then you click on it, so you see that square box come up. So you're gonna click it on your face, hold it down for like about 5 seconds, and then it's gonna come up and say AE lock. I don't know what that means, but that's what you're gonna do. Then you're gonna adjust, and then you start recording. You are going to adjust the lighting on it. So I think I'm gonna like it like this. Like you can make it bright or how dark you want it. So I think like that's the one for me because it looks, you know, but alright, so like about there. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to insert this clip into this video, so yeah. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching my video. Stay tuned, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Tell me guys what kind of video you want to see next, and if you guys want to see the apps that I use to video, then comment down below, tell me. And I'm Rochelle, I'm going to big up yourself.